Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
I will show an easy method to build a cardboard Apple Vision Pro replica. Use 5 inches depth for the headset box to mimic optic distance. Use 25mm magnifier lenses to simulate the wearable display optics and focus. Cut foam padding 1/2 inch thick for comfort against your forehead. Plan internal spacing for a smartphone or small screen measuring up to 5 inches diagonal. Work slowly and test fit, often to maintain comfortable eye relief and realistic proportions. Gather all parts before cutting to reduce errors and wasted material. You need corrugated cardboard 1/4 inch thick and a rigid sheet for structure. Prepare 25mm magnifier lenses, 1 inch elastic strap, and 2 inch Velcro strips. Use craft glue 30 ml, a utility knife, ruler, and 4 small screws. Also include 1/2 inch foam sheet for padding and optional black matte paint to reduce reflections. Work on a clean surface with good lighting and keep a scrap board for test cuts. Start by cutting the front face, side panels, and rear face from your cardboard. Assemble box, secure lenses, attach 1 inch elastic strap, and pad with foam. Mount a smartphone or small display and align lenses to the screen center for clear view. Seal edges with tape, paint matte black inside, and test fit for comfort and light blocking. Tighten screws gently to avoid crushing cardboard and adjust spacing by shimming with thin cardboard pieces. Enjoy your lightweight mock headset and make small adjustments for better alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.